YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing a Shein haul. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you guys will be interested in this, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got in Shein. It's a really big haul. Corona made me do it, and I bought a few things, so I'm gonna be showing you guys all the clothing I got, so I hope you guys like it. Okay, so let's talk about the delivery, the packaging, and in general all the items. So for the items to arrive to my house, it took around 3 weeks from when I ordered the package. It actually arrived earlier than it said. It said it was gonna arrive before June 23rd, and indeed it arrived like 2 weeks earlier, so I was really stoked about it because I've known some people that the package took like way longer than expected. For the packaging, each item package comes in a plastic bag like this. They're kind of like really big Ziploc bags. They're really good quality, and even though they're good quality, I'm not a big fan of it because I mean it's a lot of plastic for it, but let's make the best out of it. And what I do is I use these bags for like travel bags. You can put like your underwear, swimming suits, shampoos, etc. So yeah, I guess kind of like some way to recycle it. For the price, each item ranged from like $7 to $23. I think the most expensive item was like around $23, but it was a double piece, so it's like a skirt and a really cute shirt. So it's not that bad. Price-wise, it's very affordable. I got a lot of shirts, some shorts, and a few skirts. So let me show you guys. So this is the first shirt I'm gonna try on, guys. I absolutely love it. The quality is actually really good, and it was around $10. It's like a really cute summer shirt. Just tie it around, and it's really cute. Totally recommend it. This is actually one of my favorite things that I ordered. Let me show you guys another one. So this is the second shirt I'm trying on. It's basically the same design as the other one, but the material is different. The fabric is not as stretchy as the other one. I still really like it. It looks pretty cute. Again, you just wrap it around you and that's it. With this one, I'm wearing like a top underneath just because it's a little bit more open, but I absolutely love it as well. This is another crop top. It's like baby blue color. The quality is not very good. I personally find that the fabric is really thin. I think the shirt itself resembles like a corset. So if you look closely, you'll see the stitches. It kind of looks like it's inside out. I thought it was, but it's not. I checked the reviews and other pictures, and it looks like that. I think they meant to be like kind of corset. But yeah, the top itself, it's actually pretty nice. But those are a few things that I wasn't a big fan of it, the stitches and just the material. Overall, I will still wear it, but I don't think it's like great quality. So this is another cute little shirt I got, and I like that the sleeves are kind of puffy and then it gets tighter in the bottom. Quality, it's really good as well, and I love that it also has like this little bow that you can tie. That's kind of my thing. I really like this shirt as well. Beginning, I wasn't sure if I like it or not, but then I figured out how to wear it and I think it looks pretty cute. So this is another crop top that I got. It has like buttons, so you button it up. It is pretty short, but again, I really like crop tops like this. I also got another crop top like this in lilac color, but I already wore it and it's in the dirty laundry. But yeah, it is really cute, really soft fabric. So far, I'm really liking all the shirts that I've got. I was a little bit skeptical about ordering from Shein because either you love it or you hate it, but so far so good, right? Next item is just a simple tube top, and it is really see-through. I bought this and it was meant to be used braless, but it is so see-through that I wouldn't wear it braless, so I don't know. It was really cheap, but again, like the quality, well, I don't even mean the quality. You have to wear a bra with it, which it's okay, I guess. Next shirt is just like a basic design t-shirt. I really like it. I wouldn't wear it like this. I probably saw it in my last video. I already wore it once. It's tighter around my waist. I ordered this shirt as an extra large t-shirt because it was meant to be like an oversized t-shirt to wear it as a dress kind of thing, but this is an extra large, and I will say it fits just like a regular shirt. So if you're ordering this shirt, just have in mind sizing is kind of odd. Overall, I really like this shirt. The design is pretty cute. The next shirt is just like a plain basic t-shirt that I can wear with anything, but it's actually broken, guys. I'll show you. The shirt, it's meant to be like as if you tied it around your waist, but if you look closer, the shirt itself is not sewed properly. I don't think I'm gonna exchange it or anything. I'm just gonna sew it myself. So this shirt is a no because it's broken and I'm gonna have to fix it myself, but I think once it's fixed, it's gonna look nice. The next one is a pretty simple black crop top. It's one of my favorites too. I think it accentuates my waist, and I love that it has a little tie that you can wrap around it, and yeah, it's pretty cute. 10 out of 10. Next shirt I got, it's an oversized shirt. This is actually true to its size. It's really oversized and I love it. I'm gonna wear it just like a dress kind of thing. I was thinking like wear some biker shorts under this, or again tie it around my waist. The fabric is so soft, like really soft, and I really like that, and the design is pretty cool. Colors are really bright, which I really like, and overall shirt, it's a really nice soft quality. It's long, which is really hard for me to find because I have a really curvy body, so for me to find a shirt that it's actually oversized is a little bit hard. So I'm really happy about this shirt. So this is a really cute black shirt. This is more like a going out shirt. Like I really like it. It comes with this thing that you tie it around. I'll show you guys. So just tie it around your waist. It's a little complicated to get a nice bow, but it's doable, I guess. Overall, the quality is great. Like it's a really thick material, again, like to go out kind of thing, and I really like it. I'm a really big fan of the belly sleeves, so I love it. Really happy about it. That was the last shirt I had to try on, and now I'm showing you guys some shorts that I ordered, some black denim shorts. Quality is good. The only thing I wasn't a big fan is just the zipper. It's not super hard. It's like a little bit wobbly, so I'm scared that one day it's just gonna rip off. Overall, I really like the fit of the shorts. They're high-waisted shorts, and they're shorts, but they're not like extremely short, and they look pretty cute, I will say. And let me tell you guys, again, because I have a really curvy body, it's hard for me to find denim shorts or jeans that fit on my body, and these ones are pretty good. So these are basically the same shorts but in a different color. Yeah, I really like them. They're just like basic high-waisted shorts, pretty cute. I will recommend you that when buying denim shorts on Shein, you will go a size up because they're usually undersized. I'm usually a medium, so a size 8, and I got a large, and they fit really good. I ordered black biker shorts, and just in general, the quality is horrible. They have these stitches all over. It just makes it look like it's your own skin, and it's not nice or favorable to my body at all. And again, the quality is not good at all. It's super see-through, you can see over there. Fabric is super thin, doesn't hug you at all, so I wouldn't recommend them. While I was trying this on, I was thinking like I didn't want to be in front of the camera because I don't like how they look, but trying to be a little more body positive, so here it is as raw as I can with ugly bike shorts. Just accept your body how it is, guys. Next is cute animal print skirt. It's kind of like a silky material, but it's obviously not silk at all. It's super soft. It has a little button that you tie in here, and then you tie it around your waist. I will say it pairs really good with like a black shirt, and overall I really like it. Like I like that it has the leg opening, but it's just open enough that you see your leg and not anything else, so that's always good because sometimes with leg openings are a little bit hard to find like the perfect balance, right? Overall, I really like this skirt. I think it's pretty cute and it will look great with some high heels. Okay, so this is almost the last clothing item that I have to show you. This is a matching set that I got. It's a wrapping around skirt and a wrapping around shirt. I really like it. It's pretty cute because I have big boobs and it's a wraparound shirt. I had to pin the shirt in the front so it's not like super open, but overall I really like this set. Anything that is like floral and flowy, I love it. Again, it's like a silky material and it's super comfortable on the skin, like super soft. I really like it. The next clothing item I have to show you guys, it's a bikini. I'm not comfortable enough yet to try it on in front of the camera, but regardless, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So let me go grab that for you. So this is the bikini. It comes in this cute little Ziploc bag. Haven't even tried it on. I just opened it for the first time. It's a triangle wraparound bikini. It's an animal print design. It's really cute. Quality is good. So it's pretty cute. I think it's gonna fit really well. Let's check the bottom part. Ooh. It looks really tiny on the front. I don't know about you guys. It's really cute though. I really like the design because it has a little bit of light pink, which I love. We'll try it out and I'll let you know guys how it went. So this is it for today guys. Those are all the clothes that I bought from Shein. And my last opinion is I really like almost all the clothing items that I got. Few tips while ordering from Shein is that I would really recommend you guys check the reviews, because that way you know like what other people bought, and a lot of the reviews have actual pictures from customers, so you can see what the real item looks like, right? That's what I did with most of my clothing. In general, while ordering online, I always base from other reviews. Another thing is to check the size charts, because that way you'll know what your size is. When buying online, it's a little bit complicated because you can't try things on. Like I've always struggled with that, right? With my body, I need to try things on, so I was a little bit skeptical at the beginning about buying online clothing, but I guess with the reviews, all the items work out pretty well. Out of 10, I will rate my experience with Shein an 8.5, just because the quality is good, but it's not the best, and a few items had a thing here and there that I wasn't very happy about, but overall, the designs are pretty cute. The price makes it really affordable, and I think that's what all the hype for this brand is about. They're really affordable price. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button so it notifies you when I upload a new video, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.